Krishna Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare
देव असुरो नरो अन्यो वा नेश्वरो अस्ति हा कश्चन आत्मनो अन्यस्य वादिष्टम् देवेनापोहितं द्वयोः. Mayadana said, what has been destined with the Supreme Lord for oneself, for others, or for both oneself and others cannot be undone anywhere or by anyone, whether one is a demigod, a demon, a human being, or anyone else. Interesting plan. Mayadana is also giving us knowledge. The demons are not fools. Even we have the instance of any other demon giving knowledge. Hiranyakashipu. Hiranyakashipu gives great knowledge. Even people who have read Ramayana say Ravana also was very knowledgeable. He also has various kind of analysis before the war, and he has very Vidwan people. Kali Yuga, therefore, Prabhupada says, generally says is Pranit Paritranaya Sadhuna Vinashaya Dushkita. Prabhupada says, what you will kill, they are already killed. They are already dead. Kali Yuga demons are dead. No energy, no knowledge. Previously, demons were actually powerful. Lot of energy. Look at Mayadana. He is the Danav. Amount of knowledge he has. Any plan, if the God has made a plan, our plans will not work. So this plan of the Lord is very, very important. In fact, Yudhishthira Maharaj, when he saw the huge calamity in front of him, you all know that massive. Crores of people died, Mahabharata war, and then he was to be enthroned as the emperor. So he was feeling little guilty of that. As a great personality, he never thought there was something special about him. That's a mark of a great personality. He was thinking that Duryodhana was ruling well, simply had to be made a ruler. So many people had to be killed. And I am responsible for this whole thing. What is so special about me, He could have continued. He was feeling guilty that, maybe just for the desire for power, he made people go through this, and crores of families have been left without, husbands, without fathers, without brothers, and I have created a catastrophe. Even millions of births are stay in hell. This cannot be undone, isn't it? That's what he says. He genuinely feels guilty. It's not we also, but we make a show up. We are genuinely, without any duplicity, was feeling guilty of it. Correct? Suppose somebody offers you respect. I say, no, actually I am not qualified, but we are at the second hand, we are very happy to drink all the respect. But Yudhishthira Maharaj was genuinely feeling not qualified. Having committed so much sin, I can't rule. This one happened. Then after this is over, Yudhishthira Maharaj, Krishna starts instructing him, and Yudhishthira Maharaj is not convinced for mystical reasons of the Lord. And the next, again, somebody comes to convince him. Vedavyasa. Krishna takes the Vedavyasa. He's not convinced. And then he takes him to Bhishma. The Bhishma, by the arrangement of the Lord, because Krishna wanted to glorify him. Therefore, he didn't get convinced by Krishna. Otherwise, Krishna convinced Arjuna, would have convinced him also. So Bhishma starts talking. And the first thing Bhishma says, nobody can understand the plan of the Lord. So in our own life also, if you look at it actually, very difficult to understand why things are moving this way. बहुत मुश्किल होता है. युधिष्ठिर महाराज को बहुत ये था कि ये सब क्या हो गया, करोड़ों लोग मर गया मेरे लिए, अब मैं तो राजा नहीं बनूंगा, है ना. आपको मालूम है ना वो इंस्टेंस. महाभारत के बाद, महाभारत के पहले अर्जुन विचलित हुआ था, महाभारत के बाद युधिष्ठिर महाराज विचलित हुआ था. कह रहे आप बोला इतना लोग, करोड़ों लोग मरेगा मेरे लिए, मैं राजा नहीं बनेगा, ये तो बहुत महापाप किया मैंने, मैं पापी लोग राजा नहीं बनना चाहिए, ऐसा करके। तो फाइनली आप सबको मालूम है भीष्म ने उनको इंस्ट्रक्ट किया था, कह रहे? और क्या ज्ञान भीष्म ने दिया था? कोई भी भगवान का प्लान समझ नहीं सकता. We cannot understand. Even in our own life, we cannot understand the plan of the Lord because we are also controlled by Him. We are moving under the particular, correct? You like or not, like this, we are being pulled and we are dragged. We like or not, correct? The material energy is holding us and dragging us. Basically, we are attached to the body, therefore we feel dragged. If we are independent, we don't feel dragged. Shastra gives an example just like a sun has a reflection on water. When the water is shaking, it appears the sun is shaking. But, that's a famous example. When water is shaking, it appears the sun is shaking. Nothing is happening to sun. But we are attached to water. We are on material plane, which is of three modes of material nature. When the three modes are shaking, we are thinking Atma is shaking. Nothing is happening. So we are also feeling actually when the plan of the Lord is dragging us in a different situation, physical, mental, we get very disturbed. Hota hai na? But actually fact is that all we should do is do your duty in that particular situation. That's all we are supposed to do. We cannot control the plan of the Lord. So युधिष्ठिर महाराज को ये ज्ञान भीष्म जी बोलते हैं, भाई आप भगवान का प्लान कंट्रोल नहीं कर सकते. जैसे भगवान की इच्छा है पूरा सृष्टि मूव कर रहा है. Now you look the way the world is moving. Sometimes we can be very, very agitated. We can. If we hear the news, my God, something I should do about this. Correct? You just do your duty. The world you cannot shape. Krishna is in total, and nobody can understand. That's what it says. Mayadan is saying, bada sages cannot understand. That's what Bhishma says to Yudhishthira. Big sages that spend their lifetime meditating, they cannot understand the plan of the Lord. It's like कोई बहुत बुद्धिमान व्यक्ति हो, आप उसने क्या प्लान किया आप समझ नहीं पाता उसने, ये इतना मालूम है कि कुछ अच्छा ही प्लान किया उसने. बहुत मुश्किल होता है बुद्धिमान व्यक्ति का प्लान समझना, है ना? क्योंकि बुद्धिमान है, सबसे बुद्धिमान, सर्व बुद्धिमान भगवान है, और वही सृष्टि को कंट्रोल करके रखे हुए. कभी कभी लगता है अरे ये हो गया, ये कुछ नहीं हुआ. टोटली द वर्ल्ड इज बीइंग taken in a direction by the Lord. Lord is always in complete control of the situation. Laws of karma controlling the whole situation. He has a plan for the world. This world is created by a plan. Asatyam apratishtam. This is not true. कुछ लोग बोलते हैं सृष्टि का कुछ प्लान नहीं, जो अपने आप होता रहता है. ऐसा नहीं है. भगवान ने हमको भी प्लान से भेजा इधर, दुनिया को भी प्लान करके बनाया. करेक्ट ना? We can see the plan. Yesterday Prabhuji told, first time I came to know. He was telling Abraham.
Oh, Abraham.
After you have heard about Abraham? He was telling the three religions of the world are coming from actually Abraham. Christianity, Jews and Muslim. So he was telling very interesting that the king had a prediction. King used to say, I am God. The tendencies. Just like Hamare maybe we had this person, Vena. He said, I am God. Why are you worshipping? The sages went to Vena. Vena के पास सब संत लोग गए थे, भाई तुमने क्या कर दिया ये सब, भगवान की पूजा सब बंद कर दी. वीना ने बोला महाराज मैं भगवान हूँ, मेरी पूजा करो. तो मालूम है ना, भागवत में आता है. तो वीणा के पास जाते हैं, क्या कर रहे हो भाई ये, तो तुम भगवान की पूजा क्यों बंद कर रही. सो व्हाट डज वीणा से? हैं ऐसे सच नॉनसेंस पीपल. आई एम फीडिंग यू, आई एम गॉड. मैं खाना खिला रहा हूँ आपको. किसको पूजा कर रहे हो, कहाँ है वो? मैं खाना खिला रहा हूँ, मैं ही भगवान हूँ आपका. So they become very agitated. Same way Abraham is a similar situation. So he heard a prophecy that some child will be born who will challenge him. And actually the child came, he was so fearless because the kings previously, the kind of power. King was a court, king was administration. Today there's no pillars of democracy. There is press, there is king, there is court. President and the court and constitution. Today everything, the king time, everything is one. He is the constitution, he is the court, he is the press, everything is he. He can do whatever he wants, correct? There is nobody checking him. So you can cut the head. This child was so fearless. Prabhu just telling, he went and he held the chair of the king and shouted, what kind of God are you? So like that. Interesting. So coming back here, so the plan of the Lord is there. And we can know, plan of the Lord is moving. The sun is rising by the plan of the Lord. The whole nature is moving by the plan of the Lord. And Krishna says in Bhagavad Gita, Maya adhyakshena prakriti suyate sacharacharam. Whole material nature is under my plan. Krishna ji bolte na Gita mein, pura prakriti mera plan ke andar chal raha hai. Correct? According to Krishna's plan, prakriti is moving. So this we should very much be meditating, that don't have to worry. Every moment, everything is auspicious, moving by the plan of the Lord. And just like in the spiritual world, every moment people are in ecstasy, because Krishna's every moment gives them unlimited pleasure. Krishna is the enchanter of the soul. But here in the material world also, we can become Jiva Mukta Sa Uchyate. If you become advanced in Krishna consciousness, every moment we are in ecstasy. That's why people who come to that platform, they don't even ask the Lord to come to the spiritual world, because they think that is also selfishness. They don't even tell Lord, I want to see you. They don't disturb the Lord at all. My Lord, continue Leela. Vishwam Purna Sukhayate. This world becomes Vaikuntha for them, isn't it? Actually, this is also God's kingdom. And this is also totally under God's control. And for them, this world becomes also Vaikuntha. Anyway, Krishna, some service is there, they are very happy. Therefore, Prabhupada says, pure devotee are not eager to disturb the Leela of the Lord. They just want to do some service. If they can get some service, they're very, very, very happy. And that becomes, so there is very much important. People say, there was a discussion going on. You remember the class we heard, past, present and future? Bhanu Maharaj class. Past, present, future. You see the past, present, future. Some people live only on the past. They are also useless. Oh, aisa kar diya, oh, aisa kar diya. They are not good. Na shochati, na kanshati. We should not lament for what happened in the past has happened. What is the point in crying over it? And then some people only think about future. They also don't do anything. Just like many times I see youngsters now, they're daydreaming. कुछ नहीं, क्लास नहीं जाएंगे, पूरा कॉलेज बंक करेंगे, पढ़ाई नहीं करेंगे, एंड देन उसके बाद मैं राजा बनेगा, लोग ताली बजाएंगे. दे आर डे ड्रीमिंग. Sometimes we also do that. I'll go to some temple and everybody will get up, We also have daydreaming. Desire is, still we are conditioned, the desire is there. So daydreaming going on, so some people live in future, some people live on past. Both are wrong. And very interesting analysis Prabhuji was saying, the Maharaj was saying actually, that actually animals more or less live on the present. Little about future, because sometimes they store some grain, some animal, little, not much. Little, they may, honey bee, something they may store for tomorrow. But more or less they will live on the present. So similarly, we actually, and many people have understood this, philosophers and psychologists, we should live on the present. Don't think too much about past or present. Correct? They cannot do it. It's not possible. Because if you are in the modes of material nature, definitely you'll lament for what you lost. Definitely. Correct? Because you lost something. You're attached to something which you lost. How can you be detached when you are in the modes? So people can only talk about it. Just like बहुत लोग ये बोलते हैं, ये दुनिया तो एक स्वप्न है. सब लोग बोलते हैं. In fact, anybody little you talk philosophy, this world is a dream. They talk this, but they proper say they're expert in enjoying the dream. बोलते हैं ना लोग, ये सब एक दुनिया एक स्वप्न है. तो वो स्वप्न में आनंद क्यों ले रहे हो फिर? बहुत तरह तरह का प्लान करते हैं, ऐसे आनंद लेके. अरे, you know this enjoyment is false, people agree, but why you do plan to enjoy it? So they just talk. They just talk. But actually, devotee lives in the present. Why? He knows everything moving by the plan of the Lord. He is not bothered about future. He is not bothered about past. Past happened by Krishna's will. Na kankshati. Na shochati. And future is in Krishna's hand. Na kankshati. He is not hankering for anything. Brahma bhuta prasannatma. This is only for a person liberated. He does not think about past. Shochati. He doesn't lament. And na kankshati. Not an ordinary person. Unless we come to the spiritual platform, we cannot live under present. And he knows, ya yasya harer yasya karmana manasa gira. So he sees, okay, in the present, what do I do? Whatever I see all around, it belongs to Krishna. Let me offer it for Krishna's service. He does his duty to whatever Krishna has given him resource. He keeps offering to Krishna. And he lives peacefully and blissfully. Correct? Overall, Krishna is in control. He does not break his head against the wall. Okay, present situation, Krishna has given me like this. Within this, let me do my duty. Therefore, Prabhupada says very nicely one letter. Some devotee was very agitated, very disturbed. Prabhupada says, see, very famous letter it is. Motivation letter of Prabhupada. It says, I'm not interested in big things. If we can convince one person in a day that Krishna is Supreme Personality Godhead, be satisfied. What do you say? It's very nice letter, he says. Sometimes kya hota hai, we think, oh, big things should happen, crores of people. I've seen all this. We have also been in big temples, correct? But they're all picnic crowd. Actually, there is no way to make anybody Krishna conscious except face to face, one to one. There is no other way. These are all sometimes we work our mind towards this. Oh, there should be huge building. There should be lakhs of people coming. Yeah, they can come. But to make a person devotee is not a joke. It takes man-to-man personal attention. Isn't it true? And many devotees have proved it. Without buildings, they have done huge preaching. Actually, preaching means, isn't it? Man-to-man. How does it matter when you're talking to one person, whether it's in a Taj Mahal or you're sitting in a small hut? How does it matter? Okay? So, in that respect, we should be very happy whatever Krishna has given. Otherwise, we cannot. Prabhupada says, if you are unhappy with Krishna has given, you will not even follow the regulative principles. Because unhappy mind means then he will do anything to become happy. True? So we should be very satisfied and happy by what God has given us. Because we agree to the plan of the Lord. He is the expert planner. And we should always, as been telling few times, always thank the Lord every day. Whatever it is, count your blessings. Always thank the Lord. Because actually, He has kept us very comfortably, isn't it? Then you feel so grateful. If there is no gratitude, then just imagine somebody you have been very kind and he has no gratitude, then would you like to help him again? The Krishna has been actually extremely kind to us. Just like in a doctor's, little delicacy, I will be on the bed, but I am upright today. So we are in a very comfortable position by the grace of the Lord, and we know the plan of Lord is in action. And what is the plan of the Lord? To take us back home, back to Godhead. Can I participate in that plan? Then my life is successful. Okay? So here even Maya Dhanava is not seeing it Krishna conscious way. They know karma kanda. Mostly I think it's in a karma. He's not talking devotion service. They don't know. Then he will not be Dhanav. But they know laws of karma are operating, and they know because they see Dhanavas are also fighting. But they see when the war is going on, when Krishna comes on Garuda, they know war is over now. Because they know if he takes sight, the war is over. They know this. That sometimes Bhagavatam, the instances are there. Danavas and Devas are fighting, and Devatas are losing. And Devata log जब हार रहे होते हैं वो भगवान से प्रार्थना करते हैं. तो कृष्ण जी गरुड़ा में आ जाते हैं, नारायण आ जाते हैं. दानव लोग जो देखते हैं विष्णु आ गए, हो गया. अब इसने साइड ले लिया, ये युद्ध गया. Because both are his children. Generally, it doesn't interfere. Oh, you fight. But if they pray and he wants, actually, he generally comes to protect the Devatas when they pray to him, because they are, why he protects the Devata? Because Devatas are implementing his plan on the world. Krishna has the plan. Vishnu Bhakta Bhave Deva Asura Tat Viparyayaha. Why don't Danavas pray? Then they are not Danavas, they are Devatas. This question sometimes if somebody asks me, why don't Danavas don't pray Vishnu to come? If they pray, then they are not Danavas, they are Devatas. Then they don't remain Danavas, correct? So Devatas only pray, and because they pray, they are Devatas. They pray, my Lord, please come. We are in trouble. This Danavas have become very powerful. Then immediately, within a shk, the Lord appears on Garuda. He doesn't take time. Millions of light years away is a second for him. He comes on Garuda, and when he fights, all Danavas cannot together fight him. He's so powerful. He's so powerful. And that's so Krishna has a plan. So our duty is therefore to actually execute the plan of the Lord. Just like Prabhupada gives a very nice purport on this Lord Shiva also. Shiva is a great devotee. Somehow he went into trouble. They come in the next few purports. And Krishna came. Prabhupada said, don't worry. You be a devotee. Try to execute the plan of the Lord. The Lord is with you behind. Krishna saved actually. Shiva was in great trouble. Because he killed those Danavas, and this Maya Dana created a nectar pond. He created all this, Mrita Sanjeevani. That's what yesterday we discussed. He created something. And even Shukracharya had that. And he dipped the people in that, and people came out fully fresh. So Shiva almost, that means Shiva lost, because they didn't die. They were more powerful and ready. So Shiva got very disappointed that I lost the war. So Krishna came. Do not worry. He gave him a new chariot. And first thing, he created a situation for him to win. He went with Brahma. He took the shape of the cow. Brahma took shape of the calf. And both went drank the whole nectar. And Danavas were put into some kind of trance. They were just looking, but they were not stopping. Krishna can do anything. And in front of Danavas, he drank all the nectar. Now what he will do? And he said, now Shiva, I give you new arrows, and I give you a beautiful chariot. And Shiva sits on the chariot, destroys all the abode of the demigods. Of these Danavas. And then after that, therefore I think Shiva is known as Tripurari. He destroyed the Tripuras. Kal discuss hai na Tripura. Tripurari, isliye Tripurari ban gaye. And Krishna saved his name. Otherwise, Shiva's dignity was over. All the devatas ran to Shiva, save us. And Shiva said, okay, and he could not do anything. So he saved his name. So proper the same way. Just depend on the Lord. Do your duty. There will be difficulties, but Krishna is with you. There was also, we see in the instance of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, when the mridangas were broken, the Chandkazi in the dream, Narasimhadeva came in his dream. You know this? And then, once Mayapur will take you, will take to that place. And then Chandkazi narrates to Lord Chaitanya actually this. He opens his chest and says, can you see the marks? So what happened this? Are Narasimhadev came in a dream and he told, I'll kill you if you dare to do anything more. So after that I didn't touch you people. I was scared. So it shows, in fact he says, some of them I used to send my people to stop the Sankirtana. And their beards used to be burnt when they used to enter the area of Sankirtana. So Param Vijaya, the Shri Krishna Sankirtana of the Lord is actually protected by the Lord himself. This is Lord's movement, not our movement. We're just participating. There is total protection. And whatever small we can do, the duties, peacefully, patiently, we can execute some duties in cooperation. Because Prabhupada made a movement. Movement means principle is cooperation. When you're cooperating and trying to serve the Lord and doing whatever little small duties we can do, the total protection of the Lord is there. And as we are within the plan of the Lord, life is blissful. Srila Prabhupada ki.
Krishna Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama Hare Hare, Hare Krishna Hare Krishna, Hare Rama, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare